Kia ora te whānau no mai hoki mai. Did you know billions in crypto get lost or become inaccessible each year? That's right. Now, around 20% of Bitcoin is just out there, unreachable, because people have misplaced their seed phrases. Quite the predicament, eh? But what if there was a solution that not only secured your digital assets, but also tackled the human element of forgetfulness? A solution that understands that memory can be fallible and provides a way to keep your information accessible and secure. I created the Vault to solve these exact issues. No more this and no more loss. Simple. Here on my offline dedicated device, I have some seed phrases and data that I want to back up. First, we choose an image. This can be any image you have on the wall, maybe a family or a pet photo. I will use this photo of my pets. We choose a description of our image. This will be our passphrase. I will use Willow and Holly 2023 in Harbor City, California, just hanging out. I will check the entropy to make sure it is more than 128 bits. This is so it won't be brute forced. Now, on a side note, a 12-word seed phrase is 128 bits and a 24-word seed phrase is 256 bits. I will click on the embed button, then drag and drop the image here. Then drag and drop the text file with my data here. I will add the passphrase and then simply click the embed seed phrase button and it's done. We check the image to make sure our passphrase is the metadata. Now we can make as many copies as we want. In Google Drive, in our password manager, in Dropbox, on any devices. Use it as your desktop background, as your phone screensaver. You will never have to remember anything ever again because it's all in plain sight. Go one step further because the passphrase is the description. Just write it on the back of the physical copy of the image. That way you have a digital and a physical backup. Now, in 5 years' time, you need to get access to your data. Open the image, right-click for File Info. Copy the description. Come to the Extract tab, drag and drop the image. Add the image description, which is the passphrase. And to make sure that the data isn't written to disk, simply click Display Data. And here is all our backed up information. Once we have it written down, simply clear data and whoosh, it's gone. Easy as 1, 2, 3. No need to ever worry about your data being lost or stolen. And never have to remember a thing. The image is always in plain sight and no one is the wiser. If you want to know more, you can scan that QR code. I will leave a link in the description and as a pinned comment. Have a wicked day and remember, security is priority. Kia kaha, stay strong. See you in the next video.